Pablo Escobar never killed Marco, there would be no Pablo Escobar. Period. Bar none. Believe it or not, Pablo Escobar was basically a prodigy of Rico Blanco.
Drug trafficking is a male-dominated activity, and women understand that they have to be equally ruthless as their male counterparts in order to survive in that type of world. There have been very few women that have actually risen to the levels of Griselda Blanco.
Griselda figured, why not sell to our competitors? And that might have been her downfall too, because when you're selling to your competitors, you have to collect from them also. And unfortunately,